I'm Johnny, this is Chris. We're here with our Trophy Graph systems from Rose Metal Products. This was the very first thing that we kind of come up with. This is our dual graph. It is a 1/4 inch aluminum UV powder coat. We've got it at a 60-degree angle pushing forward. We put a rubber grommet right in the center here, kind of loom your wires. Some of the things that we've done is we kind of come up with the best we can, a universal kind of system here, so that anything pretty much can bolt up to it. It is 1/4 inch aluminum, so if you have to move a hole just a little bit, it's not that hard to do. The other thing we kind of done, as you can see right here, we offset the front of this over just a little bit to give you plenty of clearance for your trolling motor to come in and out. Lightweight, but very, very strong.
Also, what we've got is our tall dual graph, which is for flush mount pedal options. And what we do here on this one is we've got the same curvature with the 60-degree angle going forward on it. And then we can put on our universal pattern, we can put a graph here and a graph up here, and they'll be at a plane. So it brings it up a little bit higher for you to be able to use on the water. We included our grommet so you can loom your wires through here. And again, we've got our TGS beautiful logo that stands out.
Beautiful logo.
It's amazing. Johnny, what do I do if I have 3 graphs?
Well, that's kind of how this whole thing got started. This is where the system part comes in. It's pretty simple. You take this, you start with this, you got this on your boat, graph, you decide you want to go to a 3rd graph. You add this gimbal plate, and that's what we call this. We call this the gimbal plate. And what we do with that, it bolts right in, and you go graph. The other thing we got going, one of the things that we did is we come up with this console mount. Pretty simple and clean. Once again, still 1/4 inch aluminum. We try to keep everything as best we can, one piece, no welding. On this, we had to do a little bit of welding. But what I done here, as you can see, these 2 holes, that's your mount holes. We let you mount that where you want to, because we're not all the same size. So if you're putting that on there, some guys may want it to be a little taller. In my case, it'd have to be a little bit lower. But with this, it's the same concept. You start with 1, and you want to get to 2. It's the same add-on. That's where the system part comes in again. You put that on there now, you turn 1 into 2. You can put 2 12-inch right there on your console.
What we've got next is going to be our single bridge mount. On this, we still keep the same grommet inside of here. We have the universal pattern, 1/4 inch aluminum. We've got that 60-degree front pattern there. It goes over a recessed pedal, again for a single with the universal bolt pattern.
Then we have a large bridge, and that's kind of what we call it, just like the other. It's a large bridge, same thing, 60-degree, 1/4 inch grommet, same hole pattern. We keep that consistent with everything that we do. That way everything goes together. 1/4 inch aluminum, UV powder coat, all one piece. Main thing is, everything we've done is we've tried to keep it as simple as we possibly can. 1/4 inch aluminum, one piece, simplicity. It's strong, it'll last forever. So if you want the best, you need to have a Trophy Graph system on your boat.